Welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna showing to you how to design this animation with border shadow. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and obviously if you want to like in my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So stay tuned to Epcot Camp, and let's go to the code without wasting of time. So in this inside of this folder, like the border animation, just I will create this another folder like that image, and inside of this and folder like that I will create another folder like the JS, and I'm gonna creating this another folder like that CSS, and inside of this border animation folder just I'm going to create this another file index.html index.html, and inside of this just I'm going to create this document with index.html animation border CSS. So inside of the div, just first I will connect this CSS link dot CSS, then inside of this CSS folder, and just I'm going to create this another file style dot CSS. So inside of this CSS I will just paste it in the element and body tag. Okay, so here just I will create this div. Okay, so I don't nothing create this in this here, so just I'm going to create this style.css. So at first I will give this a div whole of body. Inside of this div just I will give this width, it will be 100 vertical horizontal, then I will give this background. Okay, now here I will just use it height, that means 200 pixel, and here just I will use it box shadow. Inside of this box shadow, this is the very interesting like that margin left right and top bottom. So left right 40 pixel, then top 20 pixel, and here just I will use it RGB 250, and here just I will use it 140, then again I will use it 140. So that's mean this is our color code RGB. So border radius, I will give this border radius. So basically this is I will give this 10 pixel. Position absolute, not absolute, just I will use it relative. Display flex, set of this justify content, like that means center, and oh no, and here will be just align item center, then our flow, it will be hidden, and just I will come back in my browser and refresh it, then it will it has gone. Okay, it will show that nothing to happen in this here in my browser, so don't worry about this. I will give this just another like that deep hover, it will be just before, and inside of this content will be empty, then position absolute like that. Width it will be just 150%. Then here I will set background image, that means conic gradient. Inside of this conic gradient, just I will use it color code F0 2 0, then F7 02. Oh no, 0202. Here is the mistake, and then color code and color gives just just show to this. Okay, and 20-degree angle. Here just it will be transparent. To 120-degree. Just animation like that, animation, rotate 2 seconds, linear gradient or linear infinite, it's undefined. That's it. And inside of this div, then div before, and just I will give this div after. And here again I will use it content empty, and inside of this after position like that, position will be absolute. Then inside of the width, just like I'm going to create use this 190 pixel. So background color, again I use it just simple background, that's it, fixed or local or none, just I will use it color code. Okay, so 101010 and take in 10. Oh, mistake. Okay, so this is the black. Okay, so if you want to use this another color code, just simply use this another color code. So I don't need this. Okay, when I will run this, then if I want, then I will change anytime in this here. So don't worry about this background like that. Background after I will use it border radius, inside of this border radius like that 10 pixel. Then display flex, it will be just justify content, again center, and overflow hidden, just color I will use it another color code like that, FF, then 3 full 5 and 5. Okay, so this is color red, not equal, not like that red, it will be div of orange, but that it is no problem in this here. Just inside of this color, then after I'll use it font size, it will be just X large, then letter spacing, then just I will use it 2 pixel, and inside of this after div, just here letters, after that letter spacing, that just I will use it box shadow, insert like that, insect, not insert. Okay, 2 pixel, sorry, 20 pixel, and then 20 pixel, and then 20 pixel, left, right, top, bottom, and here I will use it just RGBA. Okay, so just use it 0 0 0, then that means 1. Simply use it, and inside of this, then you will show that like simply color code diff black. Okay, so now I'm going to use this here inside of this keyframe. That means keyframes rooted. Keyframes rotate, rotate. Here just I will use it 0%. Set up this, just I will use it transform, that it will be just rotate, rotate 0 degree. So and here like that I will use it 100%, and it will be just transform again, rotate minus 360 degree. Okay, so that means, and just I will come back in my browser and just simply I will refresh it. Here is nothing. Okay, I will check this again in my code. Oh no, here just I didn't link up this here for basically this is the wrong. At first we will connect this CSS, then it will get. I will check this in my code here. Now inside of this rotate to S linear infinitive, this is the right and transparent 120 degree. Okay, that's it. This is the basically good, and inside of this color code, and if you want just you can change it. So this is the basically our design, and this is the very smooth and very elegant. So in this tutorial today I will finish this, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. And this is the very simple code, just standard CSS, and then it will be just. So if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching guys.